Hello, I'm Michi and that's my channel. Today we have a little overtone course. I'm speaking in German, so overtone. We will build a puzzle. It's one of the nature edition and it's number 3. Um, it's I think out of the year 2014. It's 1000 pieces and is a soft click. So that's really one of the nature photos that Ravensburger does. Um, I think I don't know how how this. I don't know the name of this one, but it's Nature Edition number 3. So feel free to Google and you will see. Here are the pieces. Yes, that's a really nice one. It's really nice to sort out and do one at another time, and it's really a fast one. So I only want to break up a short intro and then at the end I'll tell you a little bit about the puzzle. So I think we start the time lapse and we see each other at the end. So now in the end, when we finished the puzzle, my little resume, yes, this puzzle was really easy to build. The picture is, you can easily separate it out of the different parts of the picture. The bridge was relatively easy to build, but to separate out the pieces was really nice to sort. Yeah, and the sky was the first I did. It's really easy to build the sun and the trees down, and then you came to the edge and you can build the edge and see where the picture ends. Then this upper side here, it's not so easy, but you can also separate out the pieces. There are only one brownish piece here, so it's really easy to separate out the pieces. So it's only two handful, and yeah, the left side and the right side was really easy to build and nice to separate it. So it's really one section to another and to build, and at the last only filling the gaps with the trees. It's a little bit tricky, but there are only 2 handfuls of pieces and it's easy to fill in the gaps. So it's one of the fastest puzzle I've puzzled in the last time. I think it had taken me 3 hours to build, and it's really, I think, a really easy one. For beginners, I would highly recommend it. So I don't think I want to talk too much about this puzzle. It was a nice build and a little nice video. And yeah, have a nice day.
Happy Hobby allerseits und tschüss, bis zum nächsten Video.